As a developer, I want to export traces from my application for OpenTelemetry data collection. And in order to do that in OpenShift, first I'll go to Forecastle. Over here, I would go to the Jaeger UI. So under the OpenTelemetry group, I can see the Jaeger UI. And if I click on it, it will show me the available traces in the cluster right now for me. So currently there is nothing showing up because I haven't exported any traces. And now I'll go back to the console. Over here in the console, we can see there are two applications running, but I will set up another application that will export some traces. Um, okay, so I'll add a job that exports some traces, and I will update this URL to the service URL provided by the SAAP team for the tempo stack. Create this, it will go into progress. So we can see that the job is running. It's saying generation of traces isn't being throttled. This means that is the data is being pushed to the tempo stack. Once the job successfully completes, we can check if the data is available in the Jaeger UI. So we'll go back to the Jaeger UI, and now I can see that trace gen is showing in the service, and I'll run the find traces button, and we can see that the traces are generated over here at different places, different data. So if I click on it, it will show me more details about what was posted. And so this is available over here, and this is the UI. So this is how as a tenant member, I could export traces in OpenShift using the OpenShift OpenTelemetry setup with SAP.